There's a school in town. I think that's about it.
I don't know who that is.
Thomas Ditson? The only thing I know about Thomas Ditson is that we have an elementary school in Billerica named after him.
So the story of Thomas Ditson was one of a Billerica farmer who had gone into Boston. Years kind of preceding conflict in the American Revolution. And when he was in town selling some of his wares.
When Thomas Ditson first came to Boston, he came to sell vegetables. Now, historians are unsure as to which vegetables he was selling. Some possibilities are tomatoes, carrots, jet fuel, steel beams, or squash.
He also wanted to purchase a gun for protection and for hunting on the farm in Billerica. And when he was able to procure the weapon, he was later found out that he was actually being set up, and they were making the argument that he was actually trying to illegally purchase and sell the king's wares versus his own personal items. As a result, he was arrested, spent the night in jail.
Thomas Ditson was subsequently tarred and feathered. This consisted of him being stripped like a mall, tarred like a road, and feathered like a road. I mean like a chicken. He was then paraded through Boston, being known as the second least enthusiastic parade volunteer in all of history, second only to Snoopy in the Macy's Thanksgiving Parade.
He penned this tune, which was a British tune.
The following parody shortly showed up. Thomas Ditson went to Boston for to buy a firelock. We will tar and feather him, and so we will John Hancock.
And when they changed the lyrics to the song, it was intended to actually make fun of the British. It was actually sung when the British lost the Battle of Saratoga, which is considered the turning point of the American Revolution.
In honor of Thomas Ditson, Billerica created a tar factory and chicken coop and holds an annual parade. No, wait. They built an elementary school. But honestly, what's the difference?